Alright, what is up everyone? I have here an ASUS GTX 1080 that I bought from OfferUp. The seller was asking $160. I went ahead and lowballed him. I know people don't like being lowballed. And I asked if he would take $80. Surprisingly, he said yes. So that was, maybe he really wanted to sell it first day of the new year, so maybe he just wanted the money for something. He just had it. He did have it for a couple months, I think like 2 months on OfferUp locally, and I went ahead and offered him $80. I bought it. I went to pick it up. It was like a 5-6 mile drive, not too far. He was a nice guy. If it worked, everything works. $80 for a GTX 1080. This card is pretty old. It still performs really good nowadays. You can play many 1080p games, medium to high settings. For $80, not too bad. And it is an ASUS one. So it's a ASUS Republic of Gamers. I don't know if he mined it or anything like that. Use it for mining or stuff. I asked him like what he was using it for. He just said gaming. He had it in his computer for a while. There's dust in there, you know, you can see all that dust. Well, I want to do like a clean. I'm gonna clean this, replace the thermal paste. As you can see, it has not been opened since brand new with this seal here. Kind of want to replace the thermal paste, you know, just put in some fresh thermal paste so it can perform a little better, a little cooler, you know, when running games. I will be keeping this card. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell it, just because $80 for a 1080, you know, you can use it for a lot of things. Family, if they want to play games, they want to come over play games, I have this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it up, and I'm gonna start cleaning it up, removing all the dust, you know, cleaning it, removing thermal paste and all that cool stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the coolers. Oh, there you go. And all right, there you go. That's the original thermal paste right there. Now, with these older with these older cards, the thermal paste can get on these little chips. Now, I'm very afraid to clean the thermal paste around the chips, because sometimes the thermal paste can be really hard, and when you clean it, one of the chips will rip off. Now, the reason I say that is because that actually happened to me once. I was cleaning a GPU. I was cleaning the thermal paste around. Oh shit! 1 second. Okay. I was cleaning this thermal paste around the chip, and when I was cleaning it, one of the little tiny chips here came off, and I believe the GPU didn't work after that. So I will only be cleaning the chip, the main chip. I'm gonna be using rubbing alcohol, some paper towels, and you know, cleaning this very well. So let me go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so I don't have paper towels. I ran out, so I'm gonna be using this piece of cloth here. I'm gonna be cleaning this up. Alcohol really helps remove the thermal paste. So as you can see, it really helps it get it removed, and it evaporates pretty quickly. So just clean that up. Bam. Now it looks clean. So like I said, I'm not gonna clean the thermal paste outside the chip. I've had, you know, bad luck cleaning those. So, you know, if it's an older GPU, I don't recommend doing it. I mean, yeah, it's just a thing that I don't want to try to do. Alright, so this is the cooler. I'm gonna be cleaning this. I'm gonna be taking the heatsink off, cleaning the dust on it. There's some screws all around the GPU. So I'm gonna start removing these screws. Alright, I removed all the screws, and then that's how the heatsink comes off. There you go. That's pretty cool. I guess I do have to remove these screws to remove this. Alright, cool. Just comes off. There's the fans. DC brushless. Pretty cool. I'm gonna clean all these really nice. And this is the heatsink. You can see there's a lot of dust in there. So now clean this up with a brush. Get all that dust out. Hit it with the compressed air. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks connected. I removed everything. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up off camera. Just so that I won't get distracted, you know. I just want to clean this up really good here, you know. This plate can be removed, but I think it's cleaning the back of this plate. I just hit it with some air. It looks pretty clean already, so I will just clean the fans, the heatsink, and this plastic cover. And yeah, you guys will see the results. And I already tested the GPU, so it does work. So I'm just pretty much cleaning it now that I know it works. Works very well, actually. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, assemble it, and show you guys the finished product of the GPU. Alright, so I put everything back together. I know I didn't show the cleaning process. It's pretty simple. Just clean the heatsink, the fans, the case, cooling case cover for the heatsink. Change thermal paste, clean it up a bit. You can see all put back together. I cleaned it all. You can see the fans are really clean now. There you go. Now I do have another GPU that I'm planning on cleaning. If you guys want to see a video about it, leave a comment. So there you go. I do have another GPU. It's a GTX 970. It's very old. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I got it with a PC. It came with a PC that I bought a while ago. I really haven't touched the GPU. It's just been collecting dust. I will be making a video on cleaning that, and maybe on that one I will show the cleaning process. Just I don't like making the video too long. You know, space and upload and editing, you know, I don't want to make the videos too long. But for that one I will clean and show how I clean it, and you know, all this deep clean stuff. But yeah, this is my deep clean, I guess you can say, for my $80 GTX 1080 from OfferUp. It's looks really nice now. There you go. It is missing a screw, but I don't know what happened to that. Everything works, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, you know, the stuff I used for thermal paste, literally I bought this little thermal grease from Amazon. It's like a little bottle, so it has a lot. I used alcohol. I know they recommend using 90% alcohol, but I had 70. It's not too bad. Just alcohol, paper towels. I didn't have paper towels. Just use some like towel, like a regular towel. And yeah, just regular screwdriver. If you want to attempt this yourself, just simple screws. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.